Welcome to this guided meditation with affirmations. I have designed this as a companion video to my yoga with affirmations, which I did to help you feel safe in your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Beth. I am a trauma-informed clinical psychologist and a yoga instructor. And so for this practice, my intention was to make this a healing practice, to provide a reset for your nervous system, and again, to help you form a better relationship with your body, to feel more safe, more comfortable in your own body. So, to start the practice, you can be seated on a mat like me, you could be in a chair, you can be lying down if you prefer. So, take a position that helps you feel the most at ease to start, whatever that is for you. We are going to start with cultivating some somatic awareness of our body. Somatic means of the body. And so it's a means to get out of our head where some of our critical thinking and judgments can occur and onto the level of our body. We're especially trying to open up to some curiosity about what we feel in our bodies. So start to notice, open your attention to noticing what your experience is like right now. That might include noticing particular physical sensations you can feel, perhaps as simple as what you feel your body pressed up against, the chair, a mat, what you can feel in your feet. If your hands are resting on your body, you might notice whether that place feels warmth or you can feel any sense of a pressure there. We're opening up, we're becoming curious. We're not judging things as bad or wrong. And that leads us to our first affirmation of this practice. So the first affirmation is, there is no wrong way to feel in my body. Let that sink in for a moment, that there's no wrong way. We're exploring what you do feel, but whatever it is, it's not wrong. There's no wrong way to feel in my body. We move away from those labels of good and bad and simply observe. So maybe somewhere feels uncomfortable or painful. That's how we label it. My foot has a cramp. My shoulder feels tight, without placing a value judgment on that. One last time, there is no wrong way to feel in my body. So just like this idea that there's no good and bad in our bodies, we also recognize that whatever is coming up belongs there. It's part of us. It's part of who we are. We may not like it. We may dislike it. That's okay. This leads us to our next affirmation. Our next affirmation is, every part of me belongs. Every part of me belongs. We try to look at what feels more neutral to us. Maybe you feel neutral about your elbow or your forearm. Maybe there's parts of our body that we don't like as much, whether that's our hair, our nose, our toes. We remind ourselves that all of these parts, some of which might feel broken or damaged, are a mosaic that form the whole of you. And so once more, we repeat that affirmation. Every part of me belongs. We don't have to like or love our bodies to find something good, something useful, something beneficial about our bodies. So the next affirmation is, my body is a source of strength. Let's take a moment or two to reflect on that, how our body might be a source of strength. Perhaps you can recognize that physical strength of simply being able to stand on your own 2 feet, being able to walk into your day and the things that you need to do. My body is a source of strength. That might also be emotional strength. When you feel overwhelmed, you get through it eventually, even if that means that you have to take a day off or you spent a few hours crying. There's still that inner strength that is present that moves you on to the next thing. My body is a source of strength. And then for the last affirmation, we're going to really try to feel that connection to our body, perhaps in a more positive way than we're used to. So I encourage you to find somewhere to place your hands that touching your body, if this is comfortable and available to you today. So that might be resting on your thighs. You could press your 2 hands together, perhaps letting them rest or taking them close to your heart. You could rest both hands over your heart, one hand over your heart and one hand over your abdomen. Maybe cover your eyes with your hand. So whatever it is, simply that you can feel the touch of your hands against your own body. Our affirmation here is, I am welcome inside my body. We strive to feel that sense that we might feel unwelcome at times. We might feel in battle with our body rather than befriending it. So this could be a shift for you, a shift into a different way of thinking that I am welcome inside my body. Perhaps your hands are placed in a way that can help you feel that you're breathing. Your breath might be part of the way that your body is welcoming you. It's going through the motions of what's keeping you here, what's keeping you alive, nurturing you. I am welcome inside my body. Sometimes the breath can be hard to access if you've had a history of trauma or if you've experienced difficulties feeling kindness toward your body, or if you feel disconnected from your body. We're going to do a breathing with sound exercise. The sound makes our breath a little bit more salient, a little bit more obvious. The sound is going to be a ha sound. We're going to make that on the exhale only. So it's like taking a big sigh out with a ha sound. Sounding breath also helps stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system. That's our rest and digest system, the system that helps us to start to unwind, to feel calmer, to feel safer. So let's try this together. You'll take your own natural breath in. The emphasis really is not on the inhale, and then a ha sound on the breath out. We'll do it 3 times. Whenever you're ready, breathe in, open your mouth. Once again, take a breath in. And last time, natural breath in. And then take these last few moments to notice how you feel now. Whether you can sense any little bit more warmth or comfort or connection to your body. You're welcome to go through this practice again. You might also find it helpful to try the companion yoga practice to feel movement in your body. Do comment and let me know. I'm interested to hear how this was for you. And I hope the rest of your day has you feeling safe and at home in your body. Thanks for being here.